Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the IPR recruitment, which is a part of the Department of Atomic Energy, and what was the selection process and which branch has been eligible to apply these posts. All these things we will discuss in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video. And if you have any type of query or any job related and exam related update, do join our Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel is given in a description box. So let's begin with the videos. So as you are aware of that, Institute of Plasma Research is the branch of Department of Atomic Energy, and they have released the notification related to different branch of engineering. So going ahead with the notification, they have mentioned that the almost 6 branches of engineering, in that computer application, electrical and electronic engineering, electronic and telecommunication, instrumentation, mechanical, and 1 branch is physics. So for the mechanical, you have at least diploma in mechanical engineering, and total number of posts was 28, which is mentioned in advertisement. Note that diploma engineering should be 3 years of duration. There is no course or distance learning program is allowed to fill this particular form. So if you have already studied with the diploma with the distance learning, in that situation you are not able to fill that particular form. So going ahead with the next tenure of appointment, the above post will be purely temporary for the period of 2 years, or shall be co-terminated within the completion of the project, whichever is earlier. After 2 years, it may be extended for the period of 1 year, subjected to the requirement of the organization. And at the initially you will get 20,000 rupees plus HRA at the organization itself. So a maximum age limit was 35 years as per the government order, and the selection process is based on the performance of in the interview. There is no written test conducted, but number of applications may exceed, then might be go for the screening of the written test, but as of now you need to go only for the interview rounds. So going ahead with the important things about the fee application. So the application fee was around 200 rupees for the general and OBC, and there is no fees for SC, ST and EWS category. And mode of payment, you need to go with the online or SBI collect option, which is mentioned in a advertisement. And they have also mentioned, if you go with the bank, they have also mentioned the step over there, you can go and pay through bank as well. Going ahead with the most important thing, the candidate possessing higher qualification than the prescribed condition, he is disqualified for this screening. Because if you have already BTech and if you try to fill this form for the diploma engineering category, in that situation you are not able to, because few of the students going with the diploma, after that they go for the degree. In this situation you are not able to fill this particular form. Only for the diploma holders who is already filling the RRB JEE, and you need to go with only diploma candidate. Other than that you are not able to fill that particular form, and that's why, because they have not mentioned the written examination as well. So this is the hint of that particular diploma level candidate go for the directly for the contract basis, the temporary post which they have mentioned in advertisement earlier. Going ahead with the how to apply, they have mentioned the link in a official website. You need to just go and fill the particular form, and you will allotted a date when the interview has been conducted for those candidates who is shortlisted for the next round. So this is the official update which I have get from the official website of RPR. And if you need any further information, do mention in comment box. And if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.